church of Satan is taking over. The church of Satan is taking over because now with the pyramid here, I've listed all of them, the 13 great family on this planet called Earth, and the way they are ruling us and so stuff, the religion, Muslim, Buddhism, and Antichrist, all of them are here. You can see the government and the government rule the prisoners, the military, the police, the court, and the schools too as well. The media man too is here. The media man too is here. If you are a media man, you are here. And you are watching me, you are here, you are debt slave, they are using you, and always you will never be successful in life. They have positioned you into rat race. Rat race. That's the people who are going to school. They think they know all. They don't know anything. They have positioned you and they have made you a rat race in such a way that always you won't be satisfied. You will be working, but you won't be satisfied, and always you'll be blaming the government. And now, click the bell button, subscribe, and let me teach you how you can get away with the rat race so that you'll be successful in life. It's just as simple like ABCD. It's about knowledge, and if you can listen to me and if you can apply that knowledge, you can be free. You understand? You have to create a passive stream of income like them. Create a passive stream of income like them so that you won't be on the rat race mode. You understand? Because you are here, they have designed this thing for you to be here so that you'll be slaves, and always you'll be complaining. They'll be using you till you get sense.